Forever 21, randomly, their basics have upgraded so much. Like their activewear basics, bomb. All right, so I just finished breakfast. We had Chick-fil-A. So I didn't end up filming because I was just having family time with my parents, you know, very important. Family is key, essential. So it is 10:25 and I have a meeting with my professor at 11 to basically go over like my performance this whole semester, and she'll give me my final grade. I know I look like a box. This is a men's sweatshirt. I just got it from Marshall's. It just look comfortable, so don't judge. But yes, I'm gonna try to get it Vlogmas Day 7 by 11, and then we're gonna get into the Christmas mode. Maybe I'll make some hot chocolate, put on a Christmas movie, and decorate, so stay tuned. Okay, it is time for me to log into my meeting. Hopefully I get a good grade, y'all. I'm gonna cry if I don't. Actually, I probably won't cry because this whole semester has just been very trash in terms of my motivation. So I probably will just be like, oh, as long as I get a B or better, if I get a C, then I'm gonna be pissed. Hold up, why am I the only one in the room? You said our normal link, right? Yeah, okay, so I'm on time. Here she comes. I look very large from this.
Hey Dominique, I'm sorry about that.
Hi, it's okay.
I got a call right at the same time. Like, come on, y'all should call me early.
No problem.
How are you?
Good.
Good, I like your hair.
Thank you. Thank you. Y'all, that was so motivating. So basically she was just talking about NCLEX, which is the exam that we have to pass to become a registered nurse. And just telling me like, you can do it, like stay positive, study plan, all that. So it kind of got me hyped up, like, okay, I'm ready, but also I'm scared and nervous, even though I'm not even gonna start studying for that until after I graduate on May 21st, 2021, but who's counting? It is now 11:30. And I don't know what to do with myself. I was gonna put up the tree with my mom, but she just left it out for a second. So I think I'm going to, I don't know. I'm gonna put the tree up after I get back from work. So it'll be nighttime. I'm definitely gonna have some hot chocolate. Okay guys, so welcome to the next part of the vlog. So as you remember on Vlogmas Day, can't remember, but the day I went to the mall and picked up my phone. I also stopped at Forever 21. You already know. Forever 21, randomly, their basics have upgraded so much. Like their activewear basics, bomb. So I'm gonna just give you guys a quick little haul. So the first thing they have are these like biker shorts, but y'all, they are ribbed. They suck you in, like they hold you nice and tight, but then your booty looks nice. So it's just like, whoa. So I got this in black. I got them in gray. And I got them in in yellow. And it's crazy because I originally got the gray ones probably a couple weeks ago. Me and my friend were at the mall, and literally I went in Forever 21. This is the only thing I got. I was like, oh my gosh, these are real. I was like, I need these. These are so high quality, like the material. And these are called the high rise short. So I got these. Then I randomly went to the mall like a couple weeks later and saw these. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Color options. So I got all of those. And I was very pressed because I love me, you know, I love workout wear. I love cute lounge wear, so I could definitely chill in the house in these. I could go out in these. I could work out in these. Versatile. So to go along with this, I got the matching top. So the sports bra is really nice because they're thin straps, but it has a double strap, so it gives you that support. And then the back, it's like a RACERBACK, but the two straps meet. So it just gives it a little more detailing. And this whole set is ribbed. which I like. The lines going down makes you look a little slimmer. So I got this set, super cute. And then to this, got another sports bra. So same bra, same detailing. But like I said, I really love it. So in the sports bra, this one is a medium and this one is a large, but I can fit both. I like the way the medium fits a little better because it hugs you tighter, but I wanted the whole set, and the large still fits. You know, it's not like too big because I do have bigger boobs. So that was cool. And then in these, I got mediums, but on the yellow ones, I got a small. So I could wear the small too. So I'm saying all this to say it's so like stretchy and has enough give that you can probably go in between sizes, because I'm 5'4", 125, 130, and I can fit the small comfortably. I can fit the medium comfortably. And the bra, I'm a 36D. I can fit the medium. Love the way it fits. More support than the large, but I still like the large, if that makes sense. So in terms of sizing, it's very not fluid, it's very you got options basically. So if they don't have your size in something, maybe try size down, maybe try size up, see how it fits, and you can always return it if you don't like the way it fits. That's why I got it. I was like, if it really is too big, I can just return it. But on the off chance that it fits good, that I'm gonna have it, I'm gonna have the set, because you never want to go home, try something on, then go back and then hope that it's there, because it's never there, especially during the holiday season. Everybody is shopping. So to go, oh, where's the other top? So to go with this, I got the matching leggings, and again, just simple high-waisted leggings. And then on the side, it has the ribbed detailing. And this color is called Cappuccino. I just love the color. Love the brown on brown. Love the brown on brown. And then the last thing that I got from Forever 21, similar, but it does not have a match. It's just a tank top. It's like a gray color, and in the back it's a RACERBACK, and it's not as activewear-y as like the bras, but it still has like a little bit of support. So this is like perfect to like chill in if you want to wear this, some sweatpants, or like maybe like a crop jacket. A very chill fit, but it's comfortable. It's like you don't need a bra, if that makes sense. And it's thick enough to where like your nipples aren't going to be showing or anything. So perfect. Then I got these shorts. This is from Macy's. I got these Nike shorts. They're red because me and my boyfriend are going to be matching soon for Christmas. So yes. And that is my little mini haul. Okay, false alarm. So I also remembered I got these quick little items. So every time I go into Forever 21, I love their little sock section at the end with the cute little prints and stuff. I got the one with the tacos. I just have a lot of different ones. So I got these two Christmas pairs. I got a pair with gingerbreads and gingerbread cookies and candy canes. And then I got these little reindeer. Then I got this pink pair with pandas on it. And these pink, I guess, leopard print or cheetah print. And it has hearts in it as well. I just love the inner kid in me. I work with kids, and when my kids see my socks, they're like, oh my gosh, I love that, Coach Dominique. So it's just cool. I don't know. And I'm a kid, low key. In some aspects, I like doing like just fun things. Like that just makes me excited to have cute little socks. Because I'm always just wearing like a simple pair of black socks. I don't know if you can see them. So when I'm just chilling, I like to have like cute socks. I'm just very excited. Whenever I get new workout wear, I'm just very excited. I'm going to leave all the links down below so you guys can shop everything if that's what you want to do. If you so choose, if you want to be matching me, shop down below. And I'm about to go to work, but then we're going to pick up the vlog, decorating the tree, making hot chocolate, and just all the Christmas vibes. So stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I didn't end up putting up the tree and stuff. After I got off work, it was a very wild night. So I didn't get to do that, but I promise that content is coming soon. So stay tuned, but just wanted to let you guys know what's up. Like I told you I was gonna do it and I didn't do it, but I just had a lot going on. But it's coming in the next few days, so stay tuned, and hope you guys like this vlog. Hope you like the Forever 21 haul. If you get anything, tag me on Instagram at DDBAKE. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog.